G'day throttlers, welcome back to the channel. Now, it's with great displeasure that I make this video today. And I don't normally, I don't think I have ever bagged a business on my YouTube channel. And I don't intend to make a habit of it either. However, in this circumstance, I bought a product that could well have killed me. At the very best, it probably would have injured me very bad. And the only reason I'm making this video is because if I could prevent at least one person, if not more, to not buy this product, it could potentially save a life. Stick around. Alright guys, so the product I'm talking about is highway pegs. Now, a couple of weeks ago, if you go back through my videos, you'll see I did a really nice ride with James and Paulie and Hannah. We went down the south coast, Kangaroo Valley. We were in the saddle for a long time that day, and my poor old body cramped up, and what I realised, I needed highway pegs for my street glide. I've seen other guys with highway pegs and it gives them an extra position to be able to put their feet and stretch their legs when they're doing long haul riding, and I really needed it that day, and so I decided that I'd do a bit of investigating and find out what sort of highway pegs there were available in the market. Now, obviously there's the OEM highway pegs that you can get direct from Harley-Davidson or the big brands, and in hindsight that's what I should have got, and I will be buying them in the near future as well, probably when my bike goes in for its next service. But within my researching, I found a set of highway pegs on eBay, and they were pretty closely priced to the genuine articles, and they looked great, and I thought, well, do you know what, they're probably almost as good. The advantage I get is that it gets delivered to my doorstep, and then I'll just install them when I get a chance. Here's where the problem came. Now, these highway pegs arrived with all of the appropriate tools. They look really quite good quality. That's the brace that actually connects to the engine protecting bars. And this is the peg that attaches to that as well. Let's focus in on there. And they're black, they suit my bike really well, and they look kind of nice and they look pretty decent quality. Now, upon trying to install them, I put them in place, I measured them out where I needed them sitting on the rack for my legs and for my feet position that I wanted. Now, as I started tightening these highway pegs onto the rack, this occurred. I don't know if you can see there, but it just snapped clean off, and when you look at it, it doesn't even look like metal, it looks like ceramic or something. The consistency doesn't even look metallic. And if it is metallic, it's something that's really, really soft and nasty. Now, this happened on installation. Fine, no harm, no foul. But my theory, when I had a chance to think about it, what if I'd installed these successfully, and I'm out running down the freeway about 110 kilometers an hour, and I put my feet up onto those foot pegs. What happens if that snapped right then? I lose my balance. Worst case scenario, my leg comes down, hits the ground, and I might come off and break a couple of bones. But I could also come off and kill myself just because of this $100 item. So, I messaged the supplier of these on eBay, and I told them that that this occurred, and they offered me a 25% discount or rebate. 25%. They've sold me a faulty product that failed on install, not even after years of use, and they offered me a 25% refund. So then I sent a message back to them. I told them how bad I thought they were. Then they offered me a 50% refund. So I'm not so concerned about the money as the refund. Like it's the principle of this. And as I said, I don't like to make negative videos about businesses on YouTube. I've never done it before. This is the first because this could kill someone. And so on the screen right now, I'm going to put up the eBay supplier name of the gentleman that supplied these to me. And I'll also put up a link to the ad so you can see what not to buy when you're looking for highway pegs. Now, I'm assuming if you've clicked on this video, you're either a subscriber or you are someone looking at highway pegs. Do not even consider this cheap shit rubbish off eBay. It could cost your life. Spend the money. I have no affiliation at all with any Harley-Davidson dealer or any motorcycle dealer at all. But spend your money, go genuine, go to your Harley dealer and get the genuine article made in the USA that's made with hardened steel, not soft steel that you could almost bite in half. Anyway guys, sorry for the negative video. It's not what I normally do, but this is serious. I couldn't give a stuff about the money at all. What I'm more concerned about is people's health and safety. So obviously I'll be giving them a bad review, and I'm going to be leaving it at that, but I did want to make a mention on a public forum to share the information and the experience that I had with this piece of rubbish. Anyway guys, until the next video, throttle on, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.
Like a bird on a tree,